Hi all, I just wanted to provide a quick update. I won't be able to put out my soil test report this week as my wife's about to graduate. Been pretty crazy as we have children and we're just changing the guards and just trying to make it until she's done. At one point we were both going and now it's just her and it's almost done. We're so excited. Anyway, thank you everyone for your support. It means the world to me. And if you find these videos helpful and informative, please pass them on. Please subscribe, like, get the word out. Just trying to help in getting you started to grow your own garden and become successful. Anyway, today I just wanted to show you briefly and not leave you with nothing. I wanted to give you something, is that Jiffy puts out these pretty cool seed starting greenhouse kits. And I've already started one. The tray looks something like this. And these are my plants that are going out in my garden sometime end of May, actually probably more around probably early June. And I've got tomatoes, peppers, I've got cabbages, celery, and broccoli. They all start out with a pellet like this. It's just made out of peat and it's enwrapped with a netting made out of corn. It's biodegradable, so it will degrade in your soil. You need to worry about that. This just holds it together as it expands. And when that happens, it'll look something like this. And this is a Roma tomato. And you know these are ready to switch to a bigger size when the root hairs start protruding out. And I will put this probably in a 3-inch to 4-inch pot with some sort of soilless media like peat moss or cocoa coir, etc. And then when I'm ready to get it transplanted outside, probably into May, into the first week of June for myself, then I'll switch them outside. I went with these because when you're starting seed, you have to move your plants a few times. And it's not recommended to start them in a huge pot. You actually want to start it in something small. So I've known about these and I finally got around to trying them. And I have to say that I like them and I would recommend them and give them a shot. And again, this is put out through Jiffy. It comes with a tray. It comes with a lid to get your seeds germinated. And then you take it off after they sprout up. And then about 25 peat pellets. The last thing I'd like to leave with you guys is a cool plant hack chart, and it comes from many sources. But the one that I will show you is through USU Extension. And the one through USU Extension is entitled Grow Your Own Transplants at Home. And this specifically in the section of time and temperatures needed to grow vegetable transplants. So it lists the crop. It lists the time from seeding to germination. So in this case, melons, it takes about 6 to 8 days from when you start the seed to when it pops up out of the pellet or the ground or whatever soilless media. And then from that point in time, it will take 3 to 4 weeks or time from germination to transplanting that you can transplant your plant outside. And this is wonderful because then this is where you're using the calendar and you can know exactly when it can end up outside. So let's just say I started May 15th. Well, I could probably have my transplant outside by like the first week in June. And that's still enough time in our growing season to have some nice watermelon, especially if you use some black plastic and speeding up the process as they love heat. And so just wanted to show you that. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe. I so appreciate your support, and I'll catch you in the next video.